Hey guys, welcome back to Life Rocks. Today we're opening up the world's smallest Voxbox. So if you haven't seen my other videos about my Voxboxes that I've gotten for free from Influenster, I am posting a link to them down in the description below, so be sure to check those out. This is actually the smallest one that I've ever gotten, so I know that it's just a tiny sample product, and that's probably because I've fallen off the wagon with doing my snaps on Influenster. Your snaps are just getting on there and reviewing products that you've tried before. So today they sent me a Voxbox with a sample of the Chloé perfume, and what I have to do to stay in good standing with Influenster is go check out my campaign on the Influenster app, try out the perfume, and then go review it on Influenster and on Sephora. So it's a great way to earn free products. My last box actually had 3 full-size products and a deluxe sample in it. So the boxes are not all teeny tiny like this. Some of them actually have a really great value. So let's test out the Chloé. It definitely is a floral. So we'll be back again later to see how this lasts throughout the day. Bye guys. Let's talk a little bit about some perfume do's and don'ts. Never spray your perfume on your clothing. This can actually stain your clothing. Perfumes are meant to be worn on bare skin and to interact with your body heat and body chemistry. The best way to wear your perfume is by applying it directly to your pulse points, and never rub your wrists together. It can dull the top notes and make your fragrance fade faster. All fragrances have a top note, which take 5 to 15 minutes to evaporate, a middle note or heart, which takes 20 to 60 minutes to evaporate, and a base note, which takes 6 hours to evaporate. When I first sprayed the Chloé, all I could smell was the rose. It was strong and lacked any youthful or modern twist, but within the first hour developed notes of magnolia, which smelled fresh and citrusy. Throughout the day, I noticed the notes of cedar coming through as it settled into a crisp, fresh scent. Well, it's been 8 hours. I've been working outside in the garden in the heat. I might look like, but at least I still smell like a bouquet of roses. The Chloé was long lasting. It was pretty strong at first and really super rosy, but it really settled into a fresh, clean, lightly rosy scent. It works well with my chemistry. I could definitely see myself wearing this. It's probably a little bit on the spendy side because Chloé is kind of a high-end fragrance, but when they last well on your skin and you don't need to use quite as much of them or reapply them quite as often, it's well worth it to spend the extra money on a more prestigious brand. What are some of your favorite perfumes? Tell me about them in the comments down below. Let's talk a little bit about how to pick the perfect perfume that's right for you. Perfumes are designed to work with our body chemistry. They can often smell completely different from person to person. For this reason, you would never want to buy a perfume based off of how it smelled on somebody else. Always ask to try the fragrance on your skin before making a purchase, and be sure to allow plenty of time for the heart and base notes to develop. This means you'll need to wear it for a couple of hours before making your decision. Taking the time for this step will ensure you find a good quality, long-lasting scent that works well with your chemistry.